Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this very nice recipe for a homemade chocolate bar, which I think is a great gift, especially, for like stocking fillers and stuff like that. So you want to start out with your cranberries and you want to cut them into very small pieces. And then you want to do the same thing with your pistachios. Next up, you want to go ahead and melt your white chocolate. You want to be careful so none of the water gets into your little bowl because that will destroy the chocolate texture. Now that it's completely melted, you can go ahead and add in half of the chopped cranberries and half of the pistachios. Then you want to quickly stir that together. Now you want to pour it into your molds. And make sure to distribute it evenly. Last but not least, you can sprinkle the rest of the cranberries and the rest of the pistachios on top. Then you want to just let them flap onto your counter a couple of times so there's no air bubbles. And then you can let that cool down for at least 4 hours or overnight. And I think this looks so festive and it tastes great. So yeah, it's an awesome gift. I hope you give it a try. See you tomorrow. Bye.